So here we have the fender liner extension parts. Whenever I was doing some work on the car previously, I noticed that some of the clips were pretty chewed up. So we're gonna take a look at those and see if we can replace them. Let's see how much they cost. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do. Save a few bucks. Now, I know that a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, well, you bought a TTRS, you know, the parts are expensive, just buy the part. I agree when it comes to parts that will affect the reliability of the car. When it comes to stuff like this, where we can develop a solution that costs a couple dollars and we're gonna learn how to fix stuff at the same time, I think we should give that a try. So, I am going to try to clean some of these edges up a little bit. Some of these, I don't know, like this. Should I just 3D print this whole section? Like take a 3D scan of this, 3D print a whole new section? I'm not sure. This one seems like it'd be pretty easy to just sand out some and then stick on a new section there. This one obviously needs to be replaced. This one needs to be replaced. This one is donezo. This one looks pretty rough, but it looks like the plastic's in one piece, so maybe I just won't touch that. That's what we're gonna do. So I 3D printed a standard little repair area. The support was a pain to get off of this side, but that's not the mating side, it's this side, which is clean, so it's fine, whatever. But this will host the metal clip right there. And then I made them all the same, and I just decided I would trim down whatever I didn't need on the edges, so. All right, so I have cut the sections right here in the trim for the new pieces to go in there. I have cleaned the surfaces with alcohol and abraded them with a sander. So now I'm gonna go ahead and mix up the Plastaweld. Alright, it's looking pretty good. That stayed pretty good. So, see that? So I have these replacement tabs. If you can get these somewhere other than Audi, do it. I didn't realize until after I had bought him, because I bought several different things, but these from Audi are $8 a piece. I looked at the receipt after I got home and I was like, holy crap. So just see if you can get these from somewhere else. And it looks like my hole lined up perfectly. Boom, nailed it. Sweet. And they slide on easier than I anticipated, which is super nice as well. Very good. I think that's gonna work out pretty good. Doesn't look super pretty, but it is definitely getting the job done. Let's put these back on the car and call it good. All right, one side down, one to go. I'm very pleased with how these turned out. Seem to be holding up really well, on the other side at least. I'm just gonna put them in on this side. Right. Oh, that's much better. Excellent. Yeah, there is some a little bit of floppiness down here. No, there isn't. That's what she said. All right, and we have our repaired fender liner extensions on the car. I think it worked out really well, as good as I could have hoped. So pretty happy with the outcome, especially now they're a bit more secure, and we saved almost $500 just fixing those ones. We learned a little bit, which is what it's all about. So thanks for watching. Be sure to be kind to someone today, and I'll see you next time. Peace.